Okay, I rearranged things, so now I have a position thing here. And I rearranged the camera a little bit, changed frame rates a little bit. Let's see, but I think I'm reaching the limits of this computer. Just doesn't have enough horsepower to do high-end stuff. Now I did this yesterday and I decided I want this on the other side. So we're going to fix this with a desoldering system. So I have to wait for it to heat up for a sec. Takes about a minute. And I will desolder everything. These pins right here. Now, I didn't realize it, but I actually had this for the board. So I'm going to put it back in. 244 degrees, still climbing. We're in Canada, so it's Celsius. I'm aiming for 375 degrees. Dum 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 dum. Twiddle my thumb. Dum dum dum. And then I will assemble this one. It's another one. And possibly assemble another one of this. And another one of this. And see what we get. Getting there. 350. 370. Okay. This desoldering tool. So let's go to work on this. Be careful, my fingers. The key to this is let it melt. Whoops. A little eager with the trigger there. There we go. We can take this off. There we go. Now I'm going to flip it over so it's on the other side, like so. And then we'll solder it again. So let's see. Some copper to hold in. Put it in our little clamp. Okay, solder. And let's redo this. A little tinning. Very good. Don't need the copper anymore. There we go. That one looks a little wimpy. Let's put a little more there. There we go. Glasses back on, and let's have a look. Not a problem. So this board is redone. So let's do this board. Only one thing to do. We're going to put it at the top like I did the last one. Like so. Copper clamp to there we go. Bring it in. And we'll do some soldering. Take our copper off. There we go. Have a look-see. Looks good. There we go. 2 programmers. So, I'm going to do this one now. Okay, 1 board, some resistors, capacitors, connectors, buttons, another resistor, 2 LEDs, the strips, and I should have interesting. I think I'm missing a part. Don't see it in here. Didn't get caught up in there. So that's 1 switch, 2 switch, header, USB jack, 2 LEDs, crystal, 4 caps, resistors. Interesting. I thought when I did the last one, there was only 3 resistors. Let's find the other one. So this is the other one. Wow, inconsistency of the kits. So here's 2 of the resistors right there. There's the 3rd one down there. And I have 4 in this kit. I have the green bar, the ZIF socket. Caps. I have 4 caps on this, so I have 4 caps. Good. 2 LEDs. Good. 2 of the resistors. Let's see. We're looking at yellow, purple, reds. So they gave me an extra of 1. This doesn't need to be here. And that's the other value. What they didn't give me in this kit, this is the missing piece that was from the other kit, and I put this 2 separates in here. That belongs to here. So, and then of course all our pins. So, see, downside, upside, there we go. So I should have 2 4K7s. Now, if you're getting old like me, you keep forgetting your resistor color code. Good old Radio Shack. That's right, boys and girls. So we've got yellow, blue, red, I think it is. So yellow, blue, red, 460, and they're supposed to be 4K7. So is it purple? Yeah, this is purple, not blue. So these are the 4K7, and this is the other one. So let's do this one first. 10K, doink, doink. Come on, boys. There we go. So we need our little clamp here again. Interesting. I'm just going to move my parts out of the field of view here. So that I can have this in the field of view. There we go. And some solder. So, some clippers to clip the leads off. There we go. So we need the other two resistors here. So some people don't do this, but I try to do it. Orientate my resistors in the same direction. That's one. And there's one down here. So flip around. Like so. There we go. Let's do this one. Clean, clean. There we go. So, clippers again. Looks good. Let's do the capacitors. So we have 4 capacitors, and so. And we have the big ones at 104. So we have 22 picofarads here. And we have an unmarked one here. And unmarked one here. Now the other capacitor, as we can see, is 22. So these little guys, go here. You'd think when they make the board they would have actually, you know, put all the values on, but no, they cut the traces, so to speak. They did not provide all the white out. I mean, the legend on the board for what should be where. You kind of have to play a guessing game. Okay. Where's my solder? There it is. So. clippy clippy again. Make sure you either point this downward or put your finger over the wire so that it doesn't go flying all over the place. A, you don't want to get it in your eye, and B, you don't want to step on it if it flies off your desk into the carpet or something like that. So, looks good. Now we'll do these big ones. So, one big one here, 104, and like so, and one between the traces right here. Goink. Like so. Like so. Okay. Interesting trimming. One more to go. Okay. Caps are in place. So let's do the LEDs next. 2 LEDs. So one goes up here, long lead being the positive lead, and our other one, to me it's just a red dot on the table. I don't actually see the LED. Okay, so one down here, positive here. Okay. Okay. Nope, not good. Let's rotate that a little bit. There we go. So, trim them. Okay. I don't like one joint in here. I'm going to just touch it up a little bit. It's this one right here. There we go. Okay. LEDs are on the board. Now let's see what's next. I need my glasses now. I get to see the parts. So we've got all these guys here. Let's put the crystal in. One crystal. Doink. And here we go. So trim the legs again. One crystal. Could be a little straighter. Let's straighten it out a little bit. That's a bit better. Okay. Let's do the centerpiece. Our big green block. You're probably wondering which direction we put it in, but I can tell you this much from doing the last one, it only fits really. Whoops. They damaged it a bit. So what happens when you get it in the mail in a soft bag. So you should put it on this way, or you put it on this way. If you try to put it on this way, you'll see that it doesn't match up. Like it overlaps the resistor over there. So the lever has to be on this side. Voila. But we need to clip it so that it doesn't move. And a couple of clips will do. Carefully put it in here. In this case, I think I'll use 2. Like so. Now, pick a corner pin. And another corner pin. Take our coppers off. Did we get it flat? Yes, we did. Looks good. Back to this. Now we do the rest of the pins. And they say that the other type of soldering pencil, one big long heating element like in the new Heikos, retains heat better between this. It doesn't dip. But I've yet to see this actually happen here. As you can see, I can solder pretty fast and I don't have a heating problem. And this is only a $40 soldering pencil. There we go. So, if we look at it, I'd say that's good enough for government work. One thing. Now we got to put switches in. Well, actually, let's do the USB component first. Whoa, they really bent this one. Something I picked up in AliExpress, pretty cheap. A really good set of tweezers. Doink, doink, doink. Let me get my glasses back on. And let's see if we can fix these. Let's see. That one is, as you can see, is a bit out. So let's try to plug it in the board. So this is what we're, wow, okay, here. This thing goes into here, and see if we can get it all in. There we go. Now, unlike the one I did yesterday, this one might not stay in place. So I'm going to use a copper clip to hold things in place. Like so. Okay, solder. Let's see if we can get these guys going. Turn it around. Turn it around some more. I believe we got it. No copper clip. As you can see in this, the two centers have no pads. Annoying. But that's clip because I don't want this sticking out like this. Okay. I'd say not bad. Gotta remember not to bang my head into the camera. Okay, so in the set, this is what it looks like. All this I got for about 10 bucks. Not bad. Okay. We need a new piece of solder. Voila. Okay, so now we have our USB port's a little crooked. Let's see if I can fix that a little bit. That's better. Yep. Okay, so there's a switch here. This one right here. Did they bend this one too? Nope. It's just a little tight. Maybe they did bend one of the pins. There we go. Let's try that again. Okay. One little. Okay. So don't need the copper anymore. Oh, that's a little on the high side there. There we go. Okay, that's one switch. There's another switch. Not that. Not that. This switch only goes in one way. Let's see if I can get the holes lined up. Maybe I should have done the switch before I did the green, but whatever. Oh, that's what's happening. Okay. The legs are a little off. Okay. We need my pokey device. So I need to get the legs over. There we go. There we go. One set of legs. Some solder. That was a little tricky. Legs a bit off. So this kit got a little bit bent in the shipment. There we go. Alright, so we have the header still to do. This thing. So there is a little square notch against the green. So some copper. There we go. Let's get a corner pin. Too much solder. Okay. Get rid of the copper and just have a look. Yeah, okay. Just want to make sure it's flat against the circuit board. That's better. Okay, rotate this way. Some extra there. There. So one part left to do. That's this header here. The one that was, I only had one of. There we go. Okay. Too much solder. Let's rotate this around. Okay. So, whoa, ouch, a little hot still. Okay. That just leaves our pins. These guys. So, we need there. Yep, that's one. Then we need another one. Right to that divider. Okay. Let's do these. So we need a clip. And this one. Do it here. And another clip. Okay. Bring our arm in here. Okay, some solder. Okay. Clips off. Do we get them in fairly straight? Yeah, a little off. There we go. Whoops. Sure, drop it. Knock off the electrons off all the sync stuff. Okay. That's good. Get all the pins in a sec when I do the other side. So, that's that row. So one more row left. Hey. Wow, would you look at that? This one is exactly the right length. There we go. We need a clip to hold it. So now we do this side. Okay. Clip off. Do we get this one straight? Yep. Okay. A little bit there, a little bit there. So let's go to work. Whoops, a bridge. There we go. Too much solder there. Okay. Okay, so let's have a look. Looks good. Everything looks nice. So this is the second one done. Okay, 2 of those. Okay, well this was my third test video. And like all good engineering projects, we have extra parts. Yay! So I will cut this now here, and I want to see what it looks like.